How do I prioritize HVAC repairs if I can't afford them all? Prioritize repairs that protect safety first, prevent major damage second, and improve heating or cooling performance third. Start with safety problems, such as a cracked heat exchanger, carbon monoxide risk, gas leak, damaged electrical wiring, or a blocked exhaust vent. These issues can cause poisoning, fire, or other serious harm, so turn off the equipment and call a qualified technician immediately. Next, fix problems that can damage the system or your home, including a frozen coil, water leaking near electrical parts, a failed condensate pump, or a broken blower motor. After that, handle repairs that keep the system running, such as a faulty capacitor, bad thermostat, failing contactor, or clogged filter. Ask the technician to separate urgent repairs from repairs that can safely wait, and request written prices for each one. A useful question is, what happens if I wait 30 days? And what happens if I wait until next season? Some small parts, especially capacitors and contactors, can stop a whole system even though they are often less costly than major components. Keep records of the system's age, repair history, energy use, and repeated failures because frequent repairs may show that replacement will cost less over time. Do not choose repairs only by the lowest price, because an unsafe temporary fix can create a larger bill later. Ask what part is being replaced and whether the work includes testing. Do not ignore unusual smells, carbon monoxide alarms, sparks, or fuel leaks. Shut the system down, leave the area if needed, and contact emergency services or a qualified contractor. Do not spend money on comfort upgrades before fixing safety or water damage. Handle hazards first, then prevent equipment damage, and save efficiency improvements for last. Also, do not assume every expensive repair means you need a new system, but ask for both repair and replacement estimates when the equipment is older or has repeated breakdowns. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.